Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on voice to text on any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to enable or turn on voice to text, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app and here just scroll down and look for general management, tap on it, and here just scroll down again. You will get Samsung keyboard settings, tap on it, and here tap on voice input option. And here you must have to select anyone his Google Voice Typing and Samsung Voice Input. As I have selected Samsung Voice Input, and once you have that, just go back and here just open the app where you want to send a message. And I'm going to open Messages app and here just select the contact, then tap on text message, and here you will get microphone option. Just tap on it. Once you have tapped, it will start listening and transfer your voice to text. So that's how you can easily turn on voice to text on any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.